हेलो दोस्तों, आज जानेंगे EFTA ग्रुप के बारे में। इट वाज established to promote free trade and economic integration among its member countries. It ensures smooth trade relations both within the region and globally without forming a customs union like European Union. Member countries of EFTA group consist of four member states: Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. These nations are not the part of European Union but maintain close economic ties with it through trade agreements and cooperation frameworks. These colorful countries of Europe are group of EFTA, namely Norway, Liechtenstein, Switzerland, and Iceland. Formation and history of EFTA group. EFTA was founded in 1960 by the Stockholm Convention as an alternative for European countries that choose not to join the European Union community. Its founding members included the UK, Denmark, Norway, Portugal, Austria, Sweden, and Switzerland. Over time, several members left to join the European Union. Objectives and roles. EFTA's main objectives are to promote free trade, enhance economic cooperation, and contribute to the expansion of global trade. It negotiates and manages trade agreements with countries and organizations worldwide, fostering economic growth and innovation. EFTA versus European Union. Unlike the European Union, EFTA does not aim for political integration or a common currency. While the European Union has a single market and custom union, EFTA focuses purely on free trade agreements and economic cooperation among its members. EFTA and India. EFTA has growing trade relations with India. Negotiations for an EFTA India Trade and Economic Partnership Agreement (TIPA) aim to boost trade in goods, services, investment, and sustainable growth between the two regions. Importance for India. It strengthens India's ties with advanced European economies outside the European Union. It boosts Make in India through investments and market access. It supports technology transfer and manufacturing growth. And it also enhances India's participation in the global value chains. Conclusion. The EFTA group continues to play a crucial role in promoting global trade and regional cooperation. Its flexibility and non-political structure allows members to maintain economic sovereignty while enjoying the benefits of open and fair trade. What do you think, guys? The EFTA group will be proof helpful for India in the coming future?